Hello friends, today I will show you how you can remove Instagram search suggestions. You can delete your Instagram search suggestions because it's quite annoying when they go and pop up. For example, when I go and tap on search, you can see what we can see our recent searches and less of the suggested searches. So there are two different ways you can do this. The first way is come to your Instagram profile and all you have to do is go to the top right of your profile and tap on the three bars, and you have to go down your activity in this menu here, which is currently the second option. So click here and all you have to do is you scroll down this page until you get to the bottom where it says how do you use Instagram, and then you have to go there. Click on recent searches. Might be a little different for you, but there should be recent searches option where there is something. So click here and then you will see all your recent searches, and on the top right you go to the clear all option, and then what you need, all you have to do is go and click on clear all, and then you will have this confirmation window here that if you want to press clear, for sure you won't able to undo it. I'm going to go and don't press now because I want to go and want to show you a second method for this. So you can go and clear the suggestion you set from the search page. So we come and click search and see what we searched for earlier. Now what you have to do to clear them is go to the top right and look like this, press all, and then on the top right we now have all clear. When you want to clear everything, you can press and you will see the search page cleared. So don't forget to subscribe. See you in another video. Thanks for watching.